uMaruna kanye noGabriel beqhubeka laba begcine khona ibuka kanjani simbone sephethe imvubu ebangena. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sai Live Trend. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Genesis from the 16th to the 20th of June 2025 on Monday. Bishop Hlophe confronted the thorn in his flesh. A young man signed his life into paradise. A daughter's misfortune is a mother's fortune on Tuesday. Felicia gets the shock of her life when ama suspicions akhe ever confirmed. Wendy gives uMaruna advice on what's gone wrong. The long history between the two brothers ends in a torturous goodbye on Wednesday. Felicia makes a decision that might harm Genesis in the long run. Bongo provides a ruling over Maruna and Gabriel's embarrassing moment. Ishmael makes a bold move on Thursday. A wayward husband is concerned and has to make a difficult decision. Siblings fight over a new house guest, and a budding young star struggle to open up to a stranger on Friday. Maruna's career hits a major setback. Gabriel's charm may have finally met its match. A moment of vulnerability leads to an unexpected support for Ishmael from a surprising figure. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share.